Hey there, spooky friends! Welcome to the Basics Hub. Did you know that you can create stunning Halloween decorations using items you already have at home? Halloween is just around the corner, so today we're diving into the world of spooky DIY crafts. In this video, we'll show you how to create easy and fun Halloween decorations that will add a touch of fright to your home. Whether you're hosting a Halloween party or just want to get into the spooky spirit, these crafts are perfect for all ages. Let's get started. Get ready to unleash your creativity. Now let's talk about a little problem that many of us face during Halloween. Every year it seems like we all struggle to find affordable and unique decorations. And what happens? We end up using the same old store-bought items that we've had for ages. It gets boring, right? So today I want to help you break that cycle and show you how to create your own decorations that are not only unique, but will also give your home that extra spooky vibe. Alright, let's roll up our sleeves and get creative. We'll showcase 3 simple DIY projects that use common household materials. From old jars to some fabric scraps, you probably have everything you need right at home. First up, we're going to make some ghostly jar lanterns. All you need are some empty glass jars, white paint, and a couple of tea lights. Just paint the outside of the jar, let it dry, and pop in a tea light to create a spooky glow. Simple, right? Now, if you don't have jars, you can make it with balloons instead. Start by inflating the white balloons. Next, draw spooky faces on them with the black marker. Once you're done, place an LED tea light underneath each balloon and hang them using string. These lanterns can be hung from trees, porches, or even inside your home for a ghostly glow. Next, we'll create a spooky spider web tablecloth. You'll need a black tablecloth, white yarn, scissors, and a plastic spider decoration. Cut lengths of white yarn and arrange them on the black tablecloth to create a spider web pattern. You can use fabric glue to secure the yarn in place. Finally, add a plastic spider for that extra spooky touch. This tablecloth is perfect for your Halloween dinner or party, instantly adding a creepy vibe to your decor. For our third craft, we'll be making pumpkin balloons. You'll need orange balloons, green paper, scissors, and tape. Inflate the orange balloons and draw jack-o'-lantern faces on them with a black marker. Cut out leaves and vines from the green paper and tape them to the top of the balloon. These pumpkin balloons can be used as centerpieces or scattered around your home for a festive touch. Next, we'll create a spooky Halloween wreath. You'll need a grapevine wreath, fake spider web, plastic spiders, and some orange ribbon. Start by wrapping the fake spider web around the grapevine wreath. Next, attach plastic spiders throughout the web. Finally, tie a bow with the orange ribbon and attach it to the bottom of the wreath. This wreath is a perfect way to welcome guests to your home with a spooky flair. For our fifth craft, we'll make DIY skull planters. You'll need plastic skulls, potting soil, and small plants or succulents. Fill the plastic skulls with potting soil and plant your chosen succulents inside. These quirky planters are sure to be a conversation starter. Place these skull planters on your porch or as part of your indoor decor for a fun and spooky touch. For our final craft, we'll create spooky silhouette window clings. You'll need black construction paper, scissors, and tape. Cut out spooky shapes like bats, ghosts, or witches from the black construction paper. Use tape to attach them to your windows. These window clings create a spooky effect when lit from inside, perfect for Halloween night. And now, for the big reveal. Get ready to be amazed as we showcase how these crafts transform your space into a spooky haven just in time for Halloween. Just imagine those ghostly lanterns lighting up your porch, the scary spiders, and that creepy wreath greeting your guests at the door. Your home will be the talk of the neighborhood, and trust me, everyone will be asking you where you got your decorations. So we've crafted some amazing Halloween decorations that are not only easy to make but also bring a personal touch to your holiday celebrations. They're fun, they're unique, and they're perfect for getting into the Halloween spirit. If you enjoyed these spooky crafts, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Basics Hub for more such content. Also, check out our other DIY videos for more creative ideas. Happy crafting and have a spooky Halloween.